Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So this is the seventh part of same chapter. So let's start. So in the previous video, you have seen the Roman numerals. So that was actually the workout of it, and this is the continuation of the workout. So you must have seen in the previous videos, this the expanded form and all they are the repeated forms, this problems. So here only the thing is they have changed the numbers for that. So if you have seen the previous video, so these things are very easy. If you haven't seen, then you can go, because there in the previous video you will find a detailed explanation about it. Here maybe there are chances of skipping some steps. Okay, so we'll go with the first problem, that is expanded means the breaking up of a number, in short we can say. Okay, so now look at here the first problem. So now what is there? Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. This is 10,000 and this is lakhs and so on. So now what are you going to do? Ones means you are going to see the number here, there is only one, right? So you are going to put here one. But this is the ones place. 9 into 1 is 9. So here, this is in the tens place. So 2 into 10, that is going to be 20. Now this is in the hundreds place. So this is going to be 3 into 100. So this is going to be 300. So now here this is in the thousands place. So 7 into 1000, that is 7000. Here same, 6 into 10,000, that is 10,000 place, so 60,000. This is lakhs. So 5 into this is going to be the 5 lakhs, isn't it? And the next one is the 10 lakhs. So 4 into 10 lakhs, and so on. So what are you going to do? Here you are going to go in the reverse order. So you are going to put this number over here, this 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 over here, and this over here. Okay, so they they didn't ask you the final answer. They just said write the expanded form of the following. Sometimes they might ask you the final answer, so you are going to add all this thing and write the final answer. Hope that is clear. Same for here. This is the ones place, tens place, hundred place, then thousands place, 10,000s place, and so on. Okay. So what are you going to do here? So 5 into 1 is 5. 7. This is the tens place. 7 into 10. That is 70. This is the hundreds place, means 3 into 100 is 300. This is the thousands place, means 8 into 1000 is 8000. Now this is 10,000s place, means 4 into 10,000. So which is going to be 40,000. And so on. Okay. So now again you will go in the reverse order. That is, you will write this number over here, this over here. This 0 doesn't make any sense. 90 over this one, this over here, 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 and this over here in the reverse order. Okay, so again, just write the expanded form and not the final answer. So I think you can do for this one. You can just see answers have been given over here. Okay, and again for the detailed explanation, you can refer this previous video of this one. Okay, now same as this one, the expanded form. Okay, now what about this one? This is the simplest actually. When we say that is the standard form. So this is given in the expanded form. Okay, so we have to just add it and we get the number, and this is in the standard form. Okay, and when you're adding, see that you add it vertically, because sometimes when you add this horizontally, there are bound to be some mistakes. You'll say, oh, that's so simple, I will add. But if you miss out single zero or something, you're going to get wrong. So it's better to add vertically and get the final answer. Hope that is clear. Now, look at the next row here. That is again here. So this you will write again over here. You will add vertically, and this is the answer for this one. Again, this one, you don't need any explanation for this one. Add vertically and you get the final answer over here. Same for this one. Okay. Now see here, it says that match the underlying digits with their place value. Now, this is now in here, 5 is underlined. So now let us see ones, tens, 100, and this is 10. This is thousands. So thousands means 5. 5 is underlined means 5 into 5 into 1000. So that is going to be 5000. So where are you going to? This 5000 is the answer. Okay. Now look at here. Ones, tens, 100, and then this is 1000. This is 10,000. Then lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay. So 5 into 10 lakhs, and this is going to be. So how many zeros? Now see here, suppose now you might get confused for the number of zeros. So after 5, what are you going to see? How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what are you going to there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So after 5, we are going to put 6 zeros. Okay, that is also one way of doing it. Okay, now look at here, ones, tens, 100, thousands, and this is 10,000. So you are going to multiply this because this is 5 is underlined. 5 into this one, 10,000. So this is going to be 50,000. Okay. Again, you will see the number of this one, 5. This is the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to put 4 zeros after 5. Got it? Okay. Now look at here. Tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. And this is lakhs. So 5 into this one, you will see how many zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where we are going to put 5 zeros over here. Okay, and one more thing is, that the Indian system, again I'm repeating the same, after 3 and 2, you are going to put the commas, 3 and 2 and so on. After 3, so here there is no this one, so just skip 5. Okay, so now look at the, sorry for this option is not given still, ones, tens, and this is 100. So this is 5 into 100, that is going to be 500. Okay, and here what are you going to do? We are just going to, you cannot put any zero because there are only 3 numbers. Okay. Okay. Now again here 3, 2, 2. Okay. Now look at here. Now what you are going to do? We are going to use the appropriate symbol, either this one or this one. So you know this is the less than and this is the greater than sign. Greater than, again I repeat, the greater than sign means this is the open side, right? So this is, we can say, called as the crocodile's mouth. So it always go to the, this sign goes to the bigger number. Okay, so now here in this we don't have to check each and everything, but we count the number of digits. Of course, these digits are more than this one, so definitely this number will be bigger than this one. So you have to put the sign over here. Okay, bigger number sign. Now what are you going to do? You have to compare this. Now see here, this is expanded form of this number, right? So what are you going to do? You add it vertically. Okay, add it vertically and see the answer. So if you're adding it vertically, what are we going to get here? So this now, this number will be, we will do it, now look at here. And this is 4000 is here, and here is 600, and here is 70. So what is this going to be? 34670. Okay, so this is a smaller number, right? So we are going to put the commas after 3 and this one. So it is going to be 3,04,670, and this is 3,24,670. So definitely this number is bigger. Okay, so add vertically. Okay, don't do it directly. Add in the horizontal way. Add vertically. Because this looks simple but unnecessary, you will lose the marks. Okay, so again I say add vertically. Okay, now look at here, count the number of digits: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both are equal number of digits. So what are we going to do? We'll look at this first number. This is 8 and this is 7. So 8 is bigger. So we don't have to look at the other digits. So we can say this number is bigger than this number. Okay, now these are less number of digits, and definitely there's more number of digits, so this will be a bigger number. Okay, now these are less number of digits, these are more, so this number is bigger, so you are going to open the mouth over here. Hope that is clear. Now what are you going to do here? Now we are going to look at the numerals. Write the following as numerals and then insert commas, they said. According to what they said, Indian system of numeration. This also is explained in the one of the video. Just see, and that is the detailed explanation over here. So what did I do here? I just pasted one table over here, because again, this, if you write directly, there are definitely going to be mistake, because especially where to put the zeros and all, no, where you will understand it better when I'm writing. Now look at here. It says that no, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, hundred. This one, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, and this is 100 millions. Okay. Now, what did they say over here? That it says that it is 305 million. Okay. So, can you see these all are in millions? Okay. So, we will write here 305. Okay. Because now, see, what did I do here? Because it said million. So, I put in 305. Then, what does this say? 900. Okay, and 25. So where will I write that? 925 means that will be in the, and 25, what is that? Sorry, 925, sorry for that. 925, that is 1,000. So what am I going to put here? Where are the thousands? These three places, right? So 925 I'm going to write over here because it is 1,000. And the last part is 746. So 746 I'm going to write here. So what is this number? The same number what you can see over here. You are going to write it here. Okay. So now we are going to say, they said according to the Indian system means we are going to put the 3, 2, 2. Okay. Hope you got it. Now let us see for the next one. That is here, what does it say? That is 26 million. Okay, now look at here, 26 million. So whether am I going to write 26 means I'm not going to use the 100 million place. I'm going to just put the 26 over here. Got it? This is 26. Then what will I do? 79,000. Now look at here, 79,000. So where am I going to use that 79? I'm not going to use that 100,000 place. Only I'm going to use these two places. Okay, so 79 I'm going to write over here. And 415. So what will I do here? 415, I will write it over here. So now what I can see here, this place is empty. So I will put here 10. Now did you get it? What was the difference? When you write it directly, definitely you can have missed this 0, right? So the table is very important. Okay. Now let us go for the next problem. So, okay, the same number you are going to, first thing, the same number what you got it here, you are going to put it over here. Okay. And then you are going to put the commas after this 3, 2, and 2. Okay. Now let us go for the next problem. So next problem, what does this say? That is 4 million. Now 4 million. This is 4 million. So where are you going to put in place of this? Here, okay? 4 million. Then what does this say in the second one? 567,000. 567,000. So where are you going to write here? 567,000, okay? And 329. So here it is going to be 329. Hope you got it. 329. So the same thing, whatever here you have, this thing, you are going to write it over here. Okay. And then you are going to put the commas. So 3, 2, and 2. Okay. So now let us go for the next one. What does this problem say? That write the following in words and as per the international system. Okay, so this in words. What are you going to write over here? So now look at here. First, what will you do over here? No, directly first this number, whatever is there, you are going to just write it in the reverse order. 5, 4, 6, then 0, 7, and this is 8. Okay, so now because they have asked you in words, so what are you going to do? Same number is already here, but why did I write it over here? So that this helps to write in words. Okay, so now see here, these three are in thousands place, isn't it? So what are you going to write? 870,000. Okay, and what will you write here? This will be 6. Now look at here, 645. So 870,000 and 645. Is that clear? Okay. So the next one. What the second one is? Again, the second number, this one, we are going to write it over here in the reverse order. 3, 4, 0, 8. Okay, now what does this say? Where is 8? 8 is in the millions place. What are you going to write here? 8 million. Okay, now what are you going to see? The thousands place. So in the thousands place, what we can see? Just 43. That 0 doesn't make any sense. So what will you write here? 43,000. Correct? And then you are going to write here 129. So it's 129. Hope that is clear. Now we will go for the next problem. Then what does this one say? That again, this third number, we are going to go in the reverse order. So that will be 5, 1, 4, 9, 7, 0, 6, and 2. Okay. So now what does this say? That now these both are in millions, isn't it? Now, sorry for that. So these both are in millions. Okay. So now what is this? So you are going to write over here, that is 26 million. Okay. Here 26 million and 79,000. Now look at that. This is in the thousands place. That will be 79,000 and this will be 415. This is 415. Okay. Now this was about the international system. Okay. So to write, you have written this in form in words. Okay. As per the international system of numeration. Now what are we going to do? Now we are going to see the next question. That is, they said round off to the numbers as indicated. Again, this thing also is explained in the previous video because this is a workout. So this is just like a revision, we can say. Na? So all this other only the numbers are different. So everything, the detailed explanation is in the previous video. So now what did they say? Round out this one. So this number they have told to round to the nearest 100. So what are we going to do? First thing, ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay. So we are going to put a tick mark on the hundreds place. Okay. So hundreds place, and we are going to see the very next number. Very next number means like I already told you that when it is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 means whatever the number less than 5 means the hundreds place is going to be the same. So these two numbers, the ones and the tens place, this is going to be 0 itself. Okay, and of course now the hundreds place is 0, so that is not going to change because this is smaller than 5, and this digits remain the same. Okay, now we will see for the nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000 means where is that? Ones, this is ones, tens, 100, and this is thousands, and this is 10,000. So where are you going to concentrate on the 1? Because we are going to round it to the nearest 10,000. So we are going to concentrate on this 1. So I put a tick mark over here. The very next number is 9. After 10,000 is 9. So 9 is definitely more than 5, isn't it? So what are we going to do whenever that is 9? So first thing, what are we going to do? We are going to write the other digits. This. Okay, and this all first zeros. This, and this one 0. And because this 9 is more than 5, so here we are going to add 1 on the 10,000s place. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. And of course, this number is going to be the same. Okay, so that is 1,20,000. Hope that is clear. Now we will go for the next one, that it says that this number, we have to round it to the nearest lakh. Okay, so where is lakh? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and this place, that is lakhs, isn't it? 5. So we are going to put a tick mark over here to concentrate. Okay, that tick mark is just to concentrate. So now look at here, and we are going to see the next number. So next number is what? 4. So 4 is less than 5. So what is going to happen here? These all 5 digits, they are first going to be 0. Okay, and this is not going to change. 5 is not going to change because this is less than 5. Okay, so 5 will be as it is. And of course, this number has nothing to do. It will be same as this. Okay, 2. Now, so it comes to 25 lakhs. Now the next one says that you have to round it to the nearest 1,000. Okay, so now let us see where is 1,000 now. Ones, tens, 100, and this is 1000. So 1000 is on 1 is on the thousands place. So just I'll put a tick mark on 1. Okay. So the very next number is, what is the number? That is 1. Here is 2. Sorry. So 2 means it is less than 5. So what are we going to do? First thing is all three we are going to put 0 over here. Okay, and this is less than 5 means this number remains the same. Okay, 1 remains 1. Okay, and of course the previous number has nothing to do. It will be same. It will be 2. Okay, so that is 21,000. Hope you have got it. So now they have said again here the estimate. Estimate means the same thing. And then you have to add it. So now this 93,000, 97,318. Again now this is the thousands place after that is 3 means less. So this is going to be 97,000. 3 lakhs 94. This is going to be rounding earlier. This all are rounding. Okay, estimate here means they have to round first and then you have to add it. So first this number you have to round and then you are going to add it. So this is the final answer. Same over here. This 25,800 becomes to 26,000. You can follow the whatever the details given in the first videos, the rounding one. This becomes to 3,000. Okay, and here you have to subtract, means after rounding you have to subtract, and this is the final answer. Okay, and then we'll go for the next one. 3,775 becomes to 4,000. This becomes to like 4,78,000. Okay, and here what is that? Addition means you are going to add this one, and this is the answer. Okay, now let us go for the next problem. Next means this is division. Okay, so same, you have to round first. This number is I have written here. When you round it, it comes to 20,000. This 45 that I have written over here, that is 50,000. And when you divide it, you get the answer 400. Okay, division also you can do like this. Any ways you can do it. So now you will write in this vertical one. So you know this 0 and this 0 gets cut. 5 ones are 5 fours are 20, and these 2 zeros, that will be 400. Okay, so the next one again, when you round this number, you get 390. When you round this number, which is written over here, you get 20,000. So here is subtraction. You subtract these both numbers, and this is the answer. Okay. Now this is multiplication. So multiplication again, this number you are going to write it over here and round it. This over here and round it. Okay, and you will multiply both of them, and this is your answer. Okay, now same over here, this is division. So this number is rounded to this. This number is rounded to this. Okay, and you divide it, you get the division also. You can do like this, divided by 200. So 2 zeros get cut, and what remains here? 2 ones are, and this 3 zeros. So that is 1,000. Again, this number, when you round it, you get this. Okay, now when you round this one, so when you multiply this after rounding, you get this answer. Now we'll go for the next problem. So now what does the next problem say? You have to match the following. So now this is for the last video what I have seen for the Roman number. So now this 345. So 300 means it is going to be CCC. Okay, and 40 means Excel, and 5 is going to be V. So where we can see CCC, this is 300, this is 40, and this is 5. Okay, so you have to match to this one. Now 2,304. So 1,000 means that is M. So 2,000 is going to be 2M. Okay, and 300, as I told you, 300 is 100 is C, so 300 is CCC. That also I have put the table in the previous video. We can check for that. Okay, and then comes 4. So what I am going to do here, this will be the answer. This is for 2000. This is for 300, and this is 4. So you have to match the second one over here. Now 78. 78 means 70 means LXX. Okay, and 8 you know. So this is 70. Sorry, this is 70, and this is 8. Okay, now 1200. 1200 means 1000 plus 200. So 1000 is M, and 200 is CC. Okay, so what are you going to write here? MCC. Okay, So now here MCC is over here. Okay. For that is for 1200. Now 678. 600 means how are you going to write here 600? That is this DC. Okay. 600 is DC. So here you can see DC and 78. So 70 is LXX and 8. This is 8. Hope you got it. So this we have, by this one we have completed the chapter. Okay. So we will see the in the next video, we will see the next chapter. So now I'll end this video over here. Okay, so please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get the notification of the other parts of this chapter and many more. Thank you.